Well, good morning, Williams, Philippines. It is Sunday, about 8:35 in the a.m. Hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend. Those of you that are already on to your work day and your work week, it's hopefully a simple, easy one. Have a good one. Anyway, uh, yeah, been a fairly interesting. Sold out. Uh, had somebody come in and use the room, day use, and checked out. I wish that had checked out a little earlier and we could have got housekeeping up in there, got them took care of, and I could have sold that one too. But as it was, I had 103 point something percent occupancy. Yeah, sold out plus day use. Wonderful thing. Uh, boss will be happy. And oh, boss is off doing something, and I'm chief nutcase in charge. Way up. Yeah. Oh well, it is what it is. Thank God I don't really have to worry much about anything. The people have been there long enough that we know what we're doing. The only big issue about it is, I get grumbly housekeepers when I end up letting somebody get a noon checkout. They don't like it. They grumble at the other girl, and I told her just tell them that I said I'm the one that gave it. If they want to be mad at somebody, it's me. If they're that upset, they can call me, and I'll tell them the same thing. Deal with it. Uh, yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, stood there, talked with them. Think I might have my car sold to somebody that knows it, knows me. So yay. Uh, I won't charge them as much, but let them get it at a good price. The insanity we suffer for friends and family. Yeah, but yeah, and a couple of them would like to be able to buy it, but they got bad credit too. So yeah, it's not easy nowadays. Credit's not. Yeah, credit's not easy to get, especially when you've messed it up. I try to keep mine good nowadays, but it ain't easy. Uh, yeah, it is what it is, though. It's just a matter of we're trying to keep the three ring circus going. Uh, Matter of fact, and today I think I might have went to the last time. I went and bought me well, some bananas and apples. Need my fruit. Bought some bell peppers because I'm thinking about popping the top on the air fryer and putting me some stuffed bell pepper in there and air frying it because I've got a lot of hamburger that needs to be eaten, and that's a good thing. Uh, and right now, I got four leg quarters in the air fryer cooking. So yeah, I didn't put any French fries in. Been trying to eat more of the meat and less of the veggies, but I still eat veggies. Yeah. Oh yeah. And right now I'm trying to burn off a little bit of time, get this thing done, and in the can, and then run over to the laundry mat. Try and do laundry early Sunday morning. Hopefully, most folks won't be there, and it'll be a quick hit and run. Get in, get it done, get out, and get back here. Uh, hopefully. uh, and hopefully, this house sale will get busy and get done soon. I'm getting worried a bit, trying to plan for the future, but I need this piece of the puzzle to fall in into place and get taken care of now, because I sure don't want to be stuck here in the yeah. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah, try and get my laundry done. Uh, toss out a few more things that I'm pretty much sure I'm not going to use again. You know, when you have a shirt that's worth keeping, you keep it. When you don't have a shirt worth keeping and you're about to move, why pack it? Unless you just need packing material. That's about the only reason I'd be saving a shirt that isn't worth toting. Problem is, I actually have a couple of good shirts that are worth carrying with me. Eh. Now, pants, on the other hand, I've got a bunch of them that just need to be tossed out. But need to hold on to them a little bit longer because I'm still doing things around the house. Uh, yeah, but I am tossing some of that out. I'm getting more to the wear it and toss it mode, but I still need to do a bunch of packing. Oh, God. Never seems to. I always finding more stuff that I think, do I need it? No. Am I sure? No. And I sit there and bounce back and forth on it for a. I really did like when I was younger and I didn't really have a lot of anything. I can remember literally having like a duffel bag, a backpack, and maybe a suitcase. And quite honestly, usually it was two duffel bags and a backpack. And then I went and yeah, grew up. I look back and there's things that, survive Stupid Street, like my cast iron frying pan. One of the few things I've had longer than, well, I've had since I was married, and that was ancient times. That cast iron skillet means something to me. And then I'm looking at it and I'm realizing it's just a skillet. Do I really want to carry it with me? And part of me says, oh, I have to. I have to. I love that thing. It's been with me forever. And the other part is, it's a freaking skillet. If you need a new one, buy a new one over there. But then I'm realizing more and more that, well, I've got four of these boxes, or the Balak buy-in boxes. And quite honestly, I'm looking at them and I'm going, do I really need four? And I'm tossing out a lot of stuff because I'm realizing, yeah, it's might have a little sentimental value, but it's kind of like with my frying pan. I can get a new one over there. And short of a couple of gifts and a few things that's really been around a long time, do I really want to carry that much stuff over to the Philippines with me? I was watching a video the other day, yesterday or the day before, Expensive Expat. And then I was also watching another one from Rike. Uh, and realizing, do I want to travel and bounce around on the islands and see which one I like the most. Do I really need to have these boxes sent over and tote them around with me? Or should I just carry them over to my aunt and say, in case I call, if not in 5 years, you can open them up and have what's in them, or throw it away? Just toss the whole thing. I don't know. It's like towels. I have towels. Do I really want to spend money to buy new towels, or do I want to just use the ones I have as packing material? Then I get to looking at it, and I've got more T-shirts to go around things that are worth keeping. I've got shirts. Of course, by the time they get there, they definitely gonna be wrinkled, especially if they're wrapping up something heavy or something fragile. I just don't know. I really just don't know. Anyway, I'm at that point. I'm still trying to figure things out, and it's really boiling down real fast to shit or get. Literally, I'm at that point. I gotta make up my mind for sure, and then either jump or toss it or keep it, pack it, and make up my mind. Yeah, a lot of thought processing burning through my brains right now, and I'm really not sure, but I know I need to be. Anyway, William Williams Philippines, like, comment, subscribe. It's your choice again, always is. Same with me, my choice again. So, lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. And again, yeah, more family and more food. It's better to spend time with them while you can. Anyway, later blessings, bye bye. I'm Fish, and guess what? Fish is out.